It is officially moving day. Well, not moving day for us, but it is moving day for our stuff. We are using U-Pack today. That's the same company that we used when we first moved to California from Ohio a few years ago. And we loved using them then, and we love using it now because we have decided that we are going to fly. It would be like 48 hours of driving if we chose to drive to New York from California. And with 2 dogs and all of this stuff, that would just be really, really tough. So our U-Pack just arrived. It is downstairs. I'll show you in a second. And so now we are going to pack all of our stuff up into our U-Pack, and then it will all get shipped out today. And we'll just sit here without anything for a week, but it is nice to have the peace of mind. So we're about to get started. There it is. Our moving trailer. Up in there. It's packed all the way to the back, and then there's those little doors. One of the doors is right there. We have to put the other one on, but we needed a break. And we're done. This is it. They're gonna come pick it up in a little. Can't get it. Should I help? Is that recording you? I can't though.
Oh my gosh.
Let me try and help. Oh. Oh. Strong man. Good morning. It is the next day. We slept on a tiny air mattress last night.
It was so small.
So small. We had 2 air mattresses, and we realized we packed the large one and we meant to pack the small one. And basically we had a tiny twin air mattress, and Noah ended up sleeping on the floor most of the night. Needless to say, we'll be doing that for the rest of the week, which is gonna be tough. Oh my gosh, this light, I'm so sorry. We are covered in dog hair because the dogs were like piled on top of us. But it's okay, you know, it's all part of the process with this move. Just grateful that we get to have the opportunity to move to New York in the first place. So we got up and got Starbucks this morning. We packed up our coffee maker. We did leave out instant coffee, but we figured why not treat ourselves this morning.
Help me tuck it in, Rue.
Rue's making the bed.
Get in there.
In case anyone is wondering, this is where we'll be sleeping for the entire week. All right, so our COVID test results are in. We did want to make sure we obviously did this as safe as possible.
Negative! There we go, the teamwork. Gonna put the fish fillet in there too. Your little sweater.
That's cute. Cheers.
It's good.
Good morning. It is moving day. Everything is packed up and put away. We cleaned out everything else from the apartment. We took a lot of donations out. And the only thing we left out were 2 cups filled with oatmeal and cinnamon, and then 2 spoons so that we could have breakfast this morning because it is currently 4:30. Oh, I didn't put enough water in mine. Mine looks disgusting. I'm gonna do that again. Currently 4:30, and we leave it at 5:30. I'm worried that we should be leaving a little earlier. Our flight is at 8, and we have 2 dogs and 2 checked bags, but Noah is trusting that it won't take very long because our flight's so early and not many people are flying. so that we don't have to get there and stress the dogs for 3 hours.
We got TSA pre-check.
We did get TSA pre-check, and that came in time. We did it through Staples.
Yep.
I'm gonna eat my oatmeal. We're gonna take them on a long walk, and then we're gonna go and hope for the best. I'm really nervous to take these dogs on a flight. We did it.
It wasn't that bad.
They were really good. Pre-check was the best $85 we've ever spent. Highly recommend. JetBlue, so nice. Yep. When we went to like check our bags and stuff, they could tell we were stressed out. They were so nice. They told us everything to do. They were so kind. Honestly, really recommend. From our experience with pets, this has been really nice. Not sponsored or anything like that. And now the dogs are down here, a little stressed, but they're doing all right. We've been giving them, I'll show you what we've been giving them. We've been giving them this. This is called Soliquin. We got this from our vet, and it's just behavioral health support. It's not like a medicine, it's more of like a supplement. We found the airport's little pet release station. Mila is like, this is gross. Oh, she might use it though. Oh, yep, I won't show you.
Oh, hi. Hello.
We're in like a locked little smelly bathroom. Good girl. Yeah. Woo. That was good girl. Yeah. No accidents on the airport. All right, let me try and get Rue. I'm gonna sit you down on it. Come on. It's a little stinky, but. Said no way, Mom. We made it. We're exhausted, but the dogs did so well. So time to get our bags and go home. It's weird to say, but I guess it's time to go home. You're gonna freak out.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. I don't want to show him anything except for the view.
What? Oh my god.
I'm gonna cry.
We did it.
We did it.
Look at that.
Yay! Take your leash off, baby. Yeah, you did it! Yay!
We did it.
Okay, we're gonna film an empty apartment tour in the morning. We love you so much. We're exhausted. We're gonna order some takeout. And we're gonna cry. And thank you for watching this video. We're doing Vlogmas, so subscribe. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.